English Adventure, Book 5, Chapter 10, Chaturanga. Let's have a fun start. Did you know these things? The game of chess originated in northern India in the 6th century AD. It was then known as Chaturanga, which translates to 4 divisions of the military: infantry, cavalry, elephants, and chariotry, represented by pawn, knight, bishop, and rook. Vishwanath Anand is one of the world's top chess players. He was the first player from India to win the World Chess Championship. Chess helps the players to improve problem-solving skills, enhances memory, and develops and teaches planning and foresight. Do you like chess? What do you know about it? Find out the meanings of the following chess terms: checkmate, castling, pawn promotion, stalemate, en passant, gambit. Now, let's get into our story. Aunt Martha visits Kolkata and ends up participating in a local chess championship. One day, Aunt Martha, a lively and adventurous lady, decided to visit her old friend Mrs. Banerjee in Kolkata. Before leaving, she was warned by her neighbor, "Remember, Martha, don't get yourself into trouble with your curious nature." She chuckled and waved her off, but little did she know an adventure was awaiting her in the city of joy. Upon reaching Kolkata, Aunt Martha was met with warm hospitality and the city's bustling energy. One day, Mrs. Banerjee took her to a local chess championship. Aunt Martha, although not a regular player, enjoyed the intellectual charm of the game. As they arrived, they found the event in a frenzy. One of the players had fallen ill at the last moment, and the organizers were in a bind. Seeing Aunt Martha with Mrs. Banerjee, one of the organizers approached them. He mistook Aunt Martha for an international chess player due to her striking resemblance to the famous Grandmaster Elizabeth Pence. Before Aunt Martha could clarify the misunderstanding, she was swarmed by enthusiastic chess fans asking her for autographs. With a twinkle in her eye and a sense of adventure in her heart, she decided to play along. Aunt Martha, now playing the role of the Grandmaster, was called upon to play the first game. As she sat across her opponent, a young, confident player, she felt a surge of excitement. She had only a basic knowledge of the game but was determined to put up a good show. The game began. Aunt Martha moved her pawns cautiously, keeping her king and queen well protected. She lost a few pieces but managed to maintain her composure. She was even able to check her opponent's king a couple of times, much to the surprise of the spectators. Her audacious gameplay and unexpected moves kept the audience on the edge of their seats. She was playing not by the book but with intuition and daring. Her game, however, came to an end when she found her king cornered, facing a well-executed checkmate from her opponent. As she stood up, The crowd gave her a warm round of applause. They admired her spirit and courage to take on such a challenge at a moment's notice. Aunt Martha beamed, acknowledged the applause, and then burst into hearty laughter as she revealed her true identity. The organizers were stunned but could not help laughing at the unusual circumstance. They thanked Aunt Martha for her sportsmanship and the entertainment she provided, making the event truly memorable. The real Grandmaster, Elizabeth Bates, who was watching the game live from her home, sent a message commending Aunt Martha's skillful moves, and thus Aunt Martha's visit to Kolkata turned out to be an unforgettable adventure, and thus back home she had a fantastic story to share. Let's get into grammar adventures. Prepositions. Prepositions are small but powerful words that reveal relationships between other words in a sentence. Some of the most common prepositions include in, on, at, by, with, about to, from, of, since, for, during. Prepositions perform several key roles. Showing location. Prepositions tell us where something is located. Example, the cat hid under the table. We traveled through the countryside. The book rests on the shelf. Showing direction. Prepositions indicate the direction of the movement. Example, the bird flew into the tree. The car raced around the track. Please walk towards the big oak tree. Showing time. Prepositions help us know when something happens. Example, the party is at 3 o'clock. The museum is open during the summer. We will have dinner before bedtime.